Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Dini Ashraf bin Azman. So in this presentation, I will discuss about topic approximate estimating in building for DBT362 building economics. My matric ID is 2023 88 11 24 and my class is AP1266E. For the first introduction, definition of approximate estimating. What is the approximate estimating? So, approximate estimating is the process of calculating the likely cost of a construction project using simplified methods based on limited information, typically during the early design stage. It uses broad parameters such as floor areas, building types, or number of units without needing detailed drawings or specifications. What the purpose of this approximate estimating? First point is to provide a quick cost forecast before detailed designs are available. Next, to assist clients and developers in making initial investment decisions. And the last one is to compare design alternative in terms of cost. What is the importance of this approximate estimating? First point is save time and resources. Next, helps prevent budget overruns. And the last one is reduce early stage financial risk. So, um, what method are we using in this topic? So, we use the floor area method. Explanation to floor area method is widely used approximate estimating technique during the early stages of a construction project. It estimates the total cost by multiplying the gross floor area or GFA, which includes all enclosed and covered space, by a standard cost rate per unit area. External elements such as balconies, terrace, and uncovered areas are excluded as they contribute less to the overall construction cost. This method is useful when only basic design information is available and provides a quick estimate to help clients and developers assess project feasibility. Although less accurate than detailed methods, it is valued for its simplicity, speed, and practically in early planning. Why this flow area method is suitable application? Because it used during early design or feasibility stage. Second, suitable for projects with simple and repetitive layouts. Next, helps in initial budget and cost comparison. So the last one is commonly applied in government and private developments. So for the example of use, a developer plans to build a three-story apartment block with 12 residential units. At the initial planning stage, there are no detailed drawings, yet only a basic layout with a total gross area of 1,800 square meters. To estimate the construction cost quickly, the developer applies the floor area method using a cost rate of Ringgit Malaysia 1,500 per square meter. The approximate construction cost is calculated as 1,800 meter per square, um, multiply with RM 1,500 meter per square equal to RM 2 million and 700,000. This estimate helps the developer decide if the project is financially viable compared with alternative designs and prepare an initial budget for funding applications, all before committing to detailed architectural and engineering plans. For next, advantage and limitations. For unit method, the advantages is very simple and quick, ideal for repetitive units. For the limitations, its general size, design, and quality. And the last one, not suitable for complex project. For cubic method, the advantages is considers building height and more accurate for multi-story. For the limitation of this cubic method is needs highest high data and still lacks detailed cost breakdown. For the floor area method, the advantages is widely used, fast for early budgeting, and the limitation does not account for height and exclude external works. For the last one is storage enclosure method. What is the advantages for this method? So the first one in is includes area, height, and envelope. Next, good for complex building. So for the limitation, it requires more data, slightly more complex to apply. So next, let's go to the calculations. So for the first, I get the total floor area for 579.37 meter per square, and the total floor area is same without the plus, equal to 579.37 meter per square. So the estimate is, first we should choose about total gross floor area. So the formula is ground floor area plus first floor area. It's equal to 579.32 meter per square plus 579.32 meter per square. So it's equal to 1158.74 meter per square. To estimate project cost, the market rate that will be used is RM 1715. So the formula is total GFA plus cost rate. It's equal to 1158.74 meter per square plus ringgit Malaysia 1715. So it's equal to 2 million 27,795. So for the conclusion, the flow area method was effectively applied to estimate the total construction cost of the project based on the provided floor area, and unit rate. This method was chosen to its simplicity and suitability at the early design stage where detailed drawings were not yet available. By multiplying the total usable floor area with the cost per square meter, it obtained an estimate project cost of ringgit Malaysia 2,027,795 ringgit. This quick and practical approach allowed us to assess the project's financial feasibility efficiently and provided a useful starting point for further planning and budgeting. For the recommendation, um, we should to update cost data regularly. Next, use localized rates, and combine with historical data. For the last one is consider risk factor. So that's all from me. Thank you.